Magandang araw po. Ngayon po pupunta kami sa salon kung saan magpapareband po ako at magpapakulot naman si Koreano. Ang tawag dito sa Korean is mamagic. Mamagic yung hair ko. Tapos bigla magiging tuwid. Si Gulay naman magiging kulot curl yung buhok niya. Yung buhok namin, nai-imagine niyo po ba kung ano magiging itsura? Siguro ay ang haba-haba ng buhok niya. Ayan. Hindi mo alam kung saan pupunta. Tapos yung buhok ko naman, ayan, medyo nakaalsa na.
My hair looks like lion hair.
Lion hair. Huh? Mamaya magiging broccoli na yung buhok niyan. Tingnan po natin ang nangyayari. Ang daming tao. Yun yung aming hair salon na pinagbabalik-balikan. Yan. Bukas kaya siya. Kasi dito tumatanggap din sila ng reservation. Nakilala na din kami nung may-ari. Oh, bukas. Bukas siya. Yes, hair salon in picture. Sa Pilipinas, every 6 months we have to magic our hair.
It's moving. How's your feeling?
Ginawa niya to noong February. Pero okay pa din siya. In Philippines, if it's 8 months, you can see it all. It's still good.
That's nice. Beautiful. You're beautiful.
Wala pang ginagawa kahit ano. Pinahidan lang. Pabilis lang siya. You look like a king. Hotel. It looks like going inside the hotel. Yung sa kanya, magpapakulot. Hindi siya kulot. Curl. Curl? Curl. Dito sa Korean, tawag nila foaming. Pag walang salamin, yan siya. Parang babae.
Cut only.
Cut only. But it looks like really different. Oh, grabe yung pagkakaiba. Pag kulot and not kulot. Oh. It looks really young.
Salamat po.
남자도 그렇게 하는 거야? In Philippines, we are doing like that for women only. 아니, in Philippines, almost nanay or mother only doing like this. Old people, woman. Ano yan? Ayan, nagiging matanda na si Gulay.
Dry my hair.
Dry your hair. Lola.
Really warm, you know. Really hot.
Oh. You
Try heater. This is heater.
Heater. To make your hair properly.
졸려.
나안tok.
Sleep. Suddenly sleep.
You know, it looks like Lola in Philippines. Harmony. a long time.
3 hour. Malamig.
Lamig. He looks gay, yo.
Bakla? Yo. I'm not bakla. In Philippines, how you guys calling this machine?
Lancha.
Huh?
Lancha.
We are calling. 우리는 in our case 고데기.
Ooh, there's a lot of changes. Ooh. He looks young. Who are you? Who are you?
Right.
Wow.
Where is my lion head?
Where's my husband? Do you like him? Look at me.
여기도.
Ooh. 여보, 15 years old long. Oh.
Yeah, your hair is really different.
Didn't start editing.
Wow.
Siyak pa na hindi. Ito sa amin. Yak to man pala. There's a lot of medicine to put. 깜짝 놀랐어.
Beautiful.
어디야? saan? Final touch.
And straight. Finish. How many hours? Next time, how many
Nagsimula
hours?
tayo ng 3 natapos ng 6.
Wow, 3 hours.
Ay! Bayad ka na. You have to pay.
Okay. Dito.
Yan, siya magbabayad. Tuwing magpapagawa ko ng buhok. Yan, siya lagi nagbabayad. Thank you. Magkano?
170,000. 네.
감사합니다. 네. 감사합니다. Yan. How about
It's okay?
Pogi? Pogi. Maganda.
Yeah. Besides, your hair looks really
Thank
soft.
you.